My name is Roy Wilson, and it's a black beat. Nutrition of parents are important part of or one they are home demanding animals and place where the sun and years people have relied on various food. India in research on where are versus their money foreigners are bringing down. This trend is encouraged depletion and happiness because in turning building and building choices and then in effect the information in the choice food and loss of animals. Wind trust can then also release carbon into the earth which affect the element of parents health in our land and better for understanding this spike and help to see wave breathing foreign and improvement for everyone. Many of the see the effect in the nutrition in our communication ferment and lattice and power cramp and less experience more the reason difference discover earth sun family and the friend for her daily work and food. When parents are grounded animals was their home to human not relies in information concerns water then their economy get worse and can struggle even the way we can be even because trust linked in the some people. Work how to blend new fresh and protect nature we can all help increase smell. Francis the subvert the entertainment as a thing about remember that we can all make in the best. Every day, every tree we land and every effort the protect nature. How we use them and resurrence and not just for now. How to use them and resurrence protected not just now. We need to work together in find solutions that build people and nature. Wellness like our trust can and up to being times. Last, focus in training balance balance between programs and or or today will deliver the deliver planet tomorrow. I need you with this vision. What can we do to help keep our parents together? We can make in better future of everyone.